Do you ever tried potato flatbread? Let's cook it. Let's make the dough first. Take 1 cup flour. Add salt as per taste. Now mix them. You can add some oil to make the dough smooth. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Take 4 medium boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Add salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix them together. Now let's check our dough. Sprinkle some flour. Divide the dough. Fold the dough like this. Apply some more flour. Press the dough gently. Wrap the mixed potatoes in the dough. Shape it like this. Use 1 tablespoon of oil. Brush the oil. Brush the flat bread with oil as well. Fry each side for 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, it's done. Cut it into pieces before serving. You should try this at home. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.